Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to soft delete and permanently delete or restore tickets in BoldDesk. I will also show you how to set the ticket page count to delete or restore multiple tickets. The permanently delete ticket feature helps users remove the tickets that are no longer in use, thus reducing the ticket count. The restore ticket feature, on the other hand, allows users recover the tickets that were accidentally deleted. Deleting tickets can be done in two ways: soft and permanent deletion. Soft deleted tickets are moved to the deleted tickets view, where they can be permanently deleted or restored. Permanently deleted tickets are completely removed from the database and cannot be recovered. First, let me show you the permissions agents required to delete a ticket. They must have the Manage Ticket Deletion permission enabled for their role and the ticket access scope set to global. All system roles, except for the agent role, by default, have the permission assigned. However, you can create a custom role and enable the required permission. To learn more about managing roles and permissions, follow the link in this video's description. Next, let me show you how to soft delete a ticket in BoldDesk. First, I log into my BoldDesk agent portal and navigate to the Tickets module. Then, select and open the ticket to be deleted. Next, I click the More Actions icon on the ticket details page and select the Delete option. A dialog box will open, listing the actions that will happen when a ticket is deleted. To continue deleting the ticket, click the Delete option, and the ticket will be moved to the Deleted Tickets view. Additionally, a deleted indication will be attached to it. The soft deletion of tickets can also be performed in bulk. I open the ticket list page and select the tickets, or use the Select All option to mark all the tickets listed on the current page. The ticket page count can be set on the Personal Settings page. Then, I click the Delete option. A dialog box will again open where I can review the actions that will happen when tickets are deleted before confirming the deletion. Note that a maximum of 50 tickets can be bulk deleted at a time. You can also track the history of deleted tickets under the Activity Logs in the Audit Logs module of the Admin Center. Next, I'll show you how to permanently delete a ticket. In the Tickets module, I navigate to the Deleted Tickets section. Then, click the Delete icon next to the ticket, or open its details page and click the Delete Forever option. In the confirmation dialog box that appears, click Delete Forever, and the ticket will be deleted permanently. Now, I'll show you how to permanently delete tickets in bulk. On the deleted tickets list, select the tickets or use the Select All option to mark all the tickets listed on the current page. Then, click the Delete Forever option. On the confirmation dialog box that opens, click Delete Forever. Next, to restore a deleted ticket, I navigate to the Deleted Tickets section. Then, click the Restore icon next to the ticket, or open its details page and click the Restore Ticket option. In the confirmation dialog box that appears, click Restore Ticket, and the ticket will be retrieved. To restore deleted tickets in bulk, open the Deleted Tickets list. Then, select the tickets or use the Select All option to mark all the tickets listed on the current page. Then, click the Restore option. On the confirmation dialog box that opens, click Restore. Finally, let me show you how to set the ticket page count to delete or restore a maximum number of tickets at a time. On the Personal Settings page, I navigate to the General Settings tab. Here, set the ticket page count by selecting from the drop-down values present. In this video, I demonstrated how to soft delete, permanently delete, and restore tickets in BoldDesk. I also showed you how users can set the ticket page count. If you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.